One, two, three. 안녕 친구들! My name is Titi and it's my roommate
Reina, nice to meet you.
and this is our entry for the 2021 Korea Food Video Contest. So, the Korea Food Video Contest is held by the Korean Food Promotional Institute of Korea, and this time we're doing the cookbang version of the contest. So we're going to be making a bunch of dishes using ramyun as our base. Why? Because ramyun is not, as we all know, is not very healthy.
It's not very healthy, so we're gonna be adding a little bit extra to make it more healthy, and also it's more delicious. So we're gonna be making Sundubu Ramyun, which is we're gonna be adding dubu, which is tofu, to our ramen, and we're gonna be adding also gochujang to make it more tasteful, and it really does give a very similar taste to sundubu jjigae.
Yeah, the soup, the best soup in Korea.
Yeah, it's delicious, and honestly, like Sundubu Ramyun is really good too. So I tell you guys to try to make it.
The second one we're gonna be making is a Cup-Ramyun Kimchi Bokkumbap, and that's because right now in Korea the Cup-Ramyun Bokkumbap is like sensational. So we tried to make the Kimchi Bokkumbap version of the dish. So hopefully
you're gonna like it.
Yeah,
and they're all very easy to make and they're delicious. So we really want to share these tricks with our fellows Korean lovers, so you can make it at home.
Yeah. So we have our ramyun. This is gochujang, which is red pepper paste. We got red pepper flakes, sundubu, which is tofu, and we got some mini sausages. So let's start. So we started with some spring onions, which is optional. You can decide to do that if you want to. And then the base is created with gochujang. This you have to do this before you put in the ramyun and the soup base, so it has a deeper taste when you add it. Now for the highlight, tofu, of course. You can add eggs if you want to make it savory. Alright.
Okay, so now we're gonna try them. My glasses got foggy.
Because you made it? So it's good?
Yeah, it's always good.
I love the idea of putting tofu in it.
Oh yeah.
Healthy.
An extra protein.
Extra protein.
Yeah.
Wow. Good job.
Thank you. Now we're gonna go to our second recipe, because we have two. And this one is ramyun pap.
Ooh, Cup-Ramen pop. Excited. I've seen a lot of that.
Let's go.
Let's try some ASMR for this bit.
Well, that's a way. You don't have to use your hands. But
when it's all smashed up, add the soup base and the crushed noodles into the cup, and then of course fill it up with water and cover to let boil. While we wait, Reina's still eating. 그렇게 맛있어? Empty, seriously. We might have made a little bit too much. So now we put it in the cup. First add oil, sesame oil, before the sesame seeds, before you put in the rice. So flip it over and allow the form to shape a little bit, and you know, some sausages to make it pretty, and whoa! We did it.
Okay, now we have the result.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth.
You go first.
Okay.
Mmm.
Why are you so surprised?
I just felt a bit too much, but it's still like a little bit crispy. The taste of the ramyun and the rice and the kimchi, nothing is like too much. Everything is just right.
Yes. Well, and everything with kimchi is right. So
Yeah, sure.
you cannot go wrong with it. So we recommend you guys to do these delicious ramyun hacks. They're not really hard to make, and they're really fast and delicious, and they're very easy to find those ingredients.
You can find them at any convenience store in Korea,
Any.
or in the market in any part of the world.
Yeah, even my country has tofu now.
Honduras,
Honduras.
Nigeria. You can find it anywhere. So I hope you enjoyed it. Tell us the ones you liked the best in the comments, and happy eating.
Happy
Bye bye.
We're gonna continue.